This is Activity 4.3 on page 139, creating a dual axis chart with a trend line. We have my annual sales workbook open. In addition to the previous charts you have created, your manager has asked you to build some more complex charts. You have been provided with a worksheet that contains the second and third quarter monthly totals and their percentage of total sales for the year thus far. Your manager has heard about combo charts and wants you to display total sales on one axis and percentage of total sales on another. In addition, with only 6 months of recorded data, your manager would like to see a projection of what the next 3 months might look like. You decide to add a trend line to forecast this trend. Number 1, create a combo chart from the monthly totals. We're going to navigate over to our monthly totals worksheet tab, and we're going to select the range A1 through C7. We're going to go up to our insert tab of our ribbon, and we're going to select our charts dialog box launcher. Up at the top, we want to switch over to the all charts tab at the top and select the combo category. And then down in the choose the chart type and axis for your data series, in the percent of total sales row, which shows as orange on mine, we're going to check the checkbox for secondary axis. So we have clustered column for total sales, line chart for percent of total sales as the secondary axis. All right, we can click OK from here, and it inserts our combo chart into our monthly totals worksheet. We're going to modify the chart title and include axis titles for each y-axis. We're going to select our chart elements button. We're going to hover over axis titles to get our arrow. And we're going to select primary vertical and also secondary vertical. On the left side of the chart, we're going to select the vertical value axis title. And on our formula bar, we're going to type equal and then select cell B1. Press enter. So that told the chart that these are the total sales, figures. Then on the right side of the chart, we're going to select the secondary vertical axis title. And in our formula bar, we're going to do equals, and this time we're going to select cell C1, which is the percentage of total sales. Hit enter, and it updates that title for us. We're going to select our chart title, and in the formula bar, we're going to enter monthly totals. Press enter to update that. Number 3, add a trend line to the total sales series. On our chart tools format contextual tab, we're going to go to our current selection group, select the chart element drop down, and we're going to select the series total sales. With that highlighted, we're going to select our chart elements button, hover over trend line for our arrow, and select more options. So this opens up our format trend line task pane to the right. And we're in the trend line options section. And in the trendline options section, we want to make sure that the linear option is selected. And then down in the forecast group, in the forward text box, we want to type 3 periods here. So 3.0, hit enter, and you can see it forecasts 3 months for us. All right, we can go up to our quick access toolbar and save our updates, and we can leave this workbook open for our next activity.